Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're planting my spring garden. It's a 4x4 garden and I'm going to show you how I plant a polyculture garden that includes vegetables, herbs, and flowers all in one bed. It's just starting to rain, so let's see if we can get this done before it really starts to come down. For the flowers, I have these beautiful violas, these beautiful pansies, and my sister-in-law gave me these nasturtiums. This is everything that's going to be included in this garden bed. I started with the flowers along the border. I wanted to have the pansies and the violas sticking up and then have the nasturtiums in between them trailing down. I started by alternating the violas and the pansies, and I did the same pattern on the other side to have some symmetry. Okay, now I have some calendula and some daucus. This is single orange calendula. I grew these last year, and this is a new flower from West Coast Seeds. I'm going to put these along the back. I did a short row of calendula near the front, daucus in the middle, and then another short row of calendula near the trellis. These are both taller flowers, so they'll create a nice border along the back. Okay, the star of the show is really going to be the peas this year, so I'm going to plant a nice thick row along this trellis. I'm doing the alderman variety. They can grow up to 8 feet, so this trellis is going to be perfect. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is onions. I'm gonna be planting more onions in a different spot, so this is just kind of to help deter some of those pests, and I'm gonna be planting carrots on either side. Next, we're gonna do 2 different types of varieties. They're Rainbow Blend and Yaya. Next, we've got some leafy greens. I'm gonna do spinach and the Super Gourmet Blend. And lastly, we're gonna do cilantro. Okay, there we have it. We've got my spring garden in. So we've got peas, lettuce, carrots, onions, spinach, cilantro, flowers, calendula, daucus, and more calendula over there. Okay, that's it for today's video. We were able to plant my spring garden in this 4x4 bed. We included peas, lettuce, spinach, carrots, onions, and 5 different types of flowers. If any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.